students, welcome to this session of climate in India. What is the element of climate and what is the factors of the climate? This is totally different thing. So let us discuss what is the thing of element of climate and factors affecting India's climate. First and foremost, element of climate. Temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation are the elements of the climate. Okay? Let us discuss temperature. Why temperature element of the climate? In the climate, what you feel? You feel sometime heating, sometime cooling. And the heating and cooling is the what? Components of which? Temperature. So, it is obvious that it is the element of what? Climate or weather, you can also say. And atmospheric pressure, this is very important thing. One thing, this is noteworthy in entire climate chapter is atmospheric pressure. Where there is high temperature, there is low pressure and vice versa. Okay? Just read it out and mind it. Where there is high temperature, there is low pressure, and where there is low temperature, there is high pressure. But in high altitude zone, we have what? Only high pressure and not high pressure. Only low pressure and low temperature. In high altitude zone means in the area of mountain, we have high temperature, not high temperature. Only we have low temperature and low pressure. Because pressure means the air exert weight. This is actually, if you want to learn atmospheric pressure, why low temperature and low pressure. This is mountain area and this is suppose this is the area of plateau and this is what? This is plain area and this is water bodies. Okay? So, where is high pressure? In pressure we have air molecules and the air contains mixture of the air, dust particles, all the things. So, look at this. Here the elements, air pressure exerted, here air pressure exerted and here pressure exerted. Here is very low of exertion of pressure and here is very high exertion of pressure. This part we have. So, where there is high temperature, there is low pressure, but in these area, vice versa. Okay? Sorry, in this area, low pressure and low temperature. That means high altitude zone. Now wind. Wind is the also element of climate. Why element of climate? Because it is wind who decide the precipitation. It is wind who decide temperature and pressure. Where there is cool, there is the cold climatic zone. Where there is hot and the hot wind, hot climatic zone. And where humidity, what is humidity? It is also very noteworthy for you guys because humidity sounds like a confusing thing for students or some common people. So the water content in the water vapor, the content of water vapor in air, the content of water vapor in air in the gaseous form at any particular place or time is humidity. Okay? And what is precipitation? Precipitation means not only rain. Precipitation in the three states of water, that is solid state and gaseous state and liquid state. And this is precipitation. This is also element of climate, because it is precipitation to decide what types of climatic zone, what types of climatic belt of any climatic zone. Okay? Now, factors affecting India's climate. Okay? So, as you seen, now factors affecting India's climate. That means, what is the factors affecting India's climate? So, role of Himalaya and moderating influence of sea, prevailing impact of prevailing winds and longitudinal location, altitude, upper air circulation, and the presence of relief features. These are the factors of India's climate. Look at this. This is our India's map, and this is the part of Himalayan. Above this, we have Himalayan and the Karakoram range. Okay? So, the height of Himalaya, when there is in the Arctic Circle, we have originating very bitter cold wind, and this bitter cold wind heading towards central India and blowing central India, and after that that source of wind heading towards India, it is Himalaya who stand as a barrier to enter this bitter cold wind in India. Okay? So due to Himalaya, this sorts of bitter cold wind not enter into India, and India narrow escape with this winter cold, and we have in a plain area very fruitful yielding crops. Okay? If there is no Himalaya, it is not possible. This north part is also what? North part is also destroyed due to bitter cold wind. Okay? So, now moderating influence of sea. As you seen in this map, this is the peninsular part of India, where there is 3 water bodies surrounded India, which is Arabian Sea, Indian Sea, and Bay of Bengal. Okay? So, in this, the part of the coastal part, that means near to water bodies, plain area which is near to water bodies, having moderate climate, moderate temperature. Why moderate temperature? And what is moderate temperature? In moderate temperature, neither cold nor hot. And if you stay away and go away from the peninsular part of India, any coastal plain, that means coastal plain, we feel in summer hot weather and in winter cold weather. Okay? So this is also influencing factor due to these water bodies. Okay? Now, latitudinal location. As you know, India is near to equator. This is 8 degree 4 minute north latitudinal distance, which is nearer to 0 degree equator, and this is Tropic of Cancer passes through India. Okay, this is Tropic of Cancer. So this Tropic of Cancer divided India into two parts, and this part is what? Longitudinal extent of this part, due to which we have tropical climate, and from here to here we have what? Very cool area and desert area. That means this is the part of not tropical zone, this is the part of what? Alpine climatic zone. Okay. Now altitude. Altitude also play very important role of climate. Why? As you know, in high altitude zone we have low pressure and low temperature, and in the northern part of India where there is high temperature there is low pressure, and vice versa. So altitude also play very important role in this part, Thar desert part, hot summer. This is very what? High temperature zone, almost 50 degrees Celsius temperature in this area, and the temperature variation in this Rajasthan Thar desert part is very high, almost 15 to 20 degrees Celsius temperature variation in day and night in Rajasthan. Okay, so it is also very important factors affecting India's climate. Presence of relief features. Relief features also very important, plays very important role affecting India's climate. This is the western part, Western Ghat, and this is the Eastern Ghat, eastern part. And with this, because of high altitude zone, here is the mountain range and the mountain of Western Ghat. Due to Arabian Sea and Indian Sea, southwest monsoon burst here. Okay, because of relief features. Okay. Now upper air circulation. This is very important topic, upper air circulation. Okay.